So I'm studying Pavlof Volcano. It's out on the Alaska Peninsula. And it's one of the volcanoes that erupts really frequently, but it does not have a lot of precursory signals. So with my project here, I'm trying to look into the magma system and how magma ascends. And I'm doing that by looking at crystals that grew really fast and encapsulated a droplet of magma. And when the droplet of magma is encapsulated in a crystal, it can now really chemically change, and it keeps all the volatiles in it. So we are trying to investigate those magmas as it was deep down inside Pavlof Volcano and see what we can learn from it. And so over here, we can actually see Pavlof Volcano, and all the crystals here are marked where I found those tiny melt inclusions and how deep they are. So we found them pretty deep down. And the cool thing is, I was actually out there doing field work and saw tiny little ash puffs coming out of the volcano when I was doing field work with the Alaska Volcano, with UF and the Alaska Volcano Observatory.